Cardano's native token ADA has been creating wonders on its price chart lately, despite the slump that the larger market is experiencing. The cryptocurrency has gained around 32.5% in valuation over the past week, compared to the leading Bitcoin's mere 2% gain. Cardano's price gain has been accompanied by a surge in its transaction volumes as well, which crossed that of Ethereum. Cardano has witnessed 6 times greater Ethereum transaction volumes in the previous 24 hours, according to Messari data, with a current value of $42.1 billion. Cardano surpassed the top 2 cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, with $36.38 billion and $7.42 billion in market capitalization, respectively. Adjusted transaction volume is still an effective approach to isolate only the most crucial transactions. And this is not the first time it is doing such. In January, according to data by Messari, Cardano momentarily became the number 2 blockchain in terms of 24-hour transactions volume after it processed around $7.02 billion compared to Ethereum's $5.41 billion. Then, in February, ending /mark beginning, a burst of occasions prompted Cardano to surpass Ethereum's and XRP's transaction portions. In response to Messari statistics, the Cardano blockchain processed a report of $17.03 billion. Ethereum registered a bursting transaction amount of $4.49 billion, and XRP sat at $431 million. This led to Cardano founder Hoskinson commenting on Twitter. He said, "It was the beginning of Cardano's success over the remaining year." Overall, Cardano is the most active on-chain cryptocurrency with the highest 24-hour transaction volumes and adjusted transaction volumes. What's more, the surge in transaction volume did not necessarily mean a high gas fee for the network, as is the case for Ethereum. The surge in on-chain activity has not had a negative impact on Cardano's network fee, which has dropped from $0.45 to $0.38 on average. In comparison, Ethereum has an average gas fee of around $26 per transaction. Though transaction fees on the Ethereum network are 80% lower than January 10, 2022, average fees are down to $10.26 per transfer. Transaction fees on Ethereum scaling solutions have plummeted, and the addition of Algorand Bridge to the altcoins network could boost utility and demand for Ether. That being said, the fact still remains that Cardano had surpassed Ethereum. The brief overtake in volume could be seen as an indication of the network's growing adoption following a period of severe criticism. Several other milestones were also crossed by the network recently, which could be supporting its price growth further. This video is sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is an exchange where you can trade cryptocurrency. Apart from earning interest on your crypto, you can take out loans as well. Moreover, it allows you to earn 8% annually on your crypto reserves, which is 8 times the best savings account out there. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up now by clicking the link in the description. Okay, let's continue with our video. For instance, the network has completed 20 million ADA US dollar transactions in over 1,500 days of operation without any downtime, according to a report by Nasdaq. The report added that wallets holding the token had also crossed the 1 million mark recently. Active addresses on the network have gone up drastically from 35,440 in February last year to currently 221,675, according to Glassnode. Alongside this, the Cardano blockchain reported a massive rise in large transactions greater than $100,000 in the last 24 hours. Per data, the number of Cardano's large transactions has risen nearly 83% over the past day to 6,715. Cardano continues to see accumulation as large addresses holding between 100,000 and 1 million tokens bought more than 16 million ADA as the price near the $1 mark on March 1st. The sudden surge in on-chain activity could be attributed to the host of announcements made by the network recently. This includes the launch of many much-awaited dApps, Pavia, Cardano's metaverse, and NFT gaming project, whose recent launch has generated much buzz within the community. Moreover, Cardano's development arm IOHK also unveiled the protocol's scaling plans for 2022 in preparation for a further surge in traffic. It was revealed earlier this week that Cardano had entered the Basho stage in its roadmap, which will focus on improving scaling and interoperability. And changes can be expected in the block size, along with Plutus script and node enhancements, among others. All these developments have been further exuberated by the quite successful launch of the Cardano-based Sunday Swap DEX. The exchange has been in the pipeline for a long time, and its release marked the release of Cardano's first native DEX. In similar news, decentralized Cardano-based exchange AdaSwap has secured $2.6 million in funding from such investors as Pluto Digital, GBV Capital, iAngels, Finova Capital, and Banter Capital. Israeli actor Gal Gadot, who became an international superstar with Wonder Woman in 2018, is among angel investors who have put their money into the project. These past few months, Cardano's growth has been commendable and could be seen within the progress of its market capitalization. As a result, the Cardano blockchain has expanded by roughly 13 gigabytes since the start of the year, which means loads of chain actions. With more investors taking interest in Cardano, it's a good idea to keep an eye on the crypto and what experts are expecting from it. For example, some are expecting the price to reach $2. Another expert price prediction for Cardano ADA claims that the company still has a way to go before it reaches the $1 price point. That's due to a possible retread of the crypto. Even so, gaining interest in altcoins could result in it hitting the $1 mark before the first quarter of 2022 comes to an end. That is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit that big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.